Trader Todd Bubba Horwitz joins us now for the Trader Rundown, and we have the former FBI Director James Comey testifying. Yeah. Traders are talking about it, but will it be a market mover, Todd?
No. Money has no conscience. Nobody really cares about Comey unless it's going to be something major. And if it was something major, it would already be leaking out already. So I think this is going to be a total waste of time. Another one of these hearings that means nothing, but it'll be a chance for both parties to make a grandstand, and the Republicans will kiss them and the Democrats will go after them. But in the meantime, they're all making their own policies right here. That's all.
What if we do get some fireworks out of this?
Well, I mean, the only thing that could come here would be bad news for the market, so you would see some selling. But again, you would have some idea. You know, one thing about today's world versus 30 years ago is information flows so fast that nothing's really secret anymore. It's hard to hide anything because if he knows something, he's not the only one who knows it.
Let's move on and take a look at maybe a trade of the day for you. What are you watching here?
Well, you know, the markets are quiet. We have the Fed coming out next Tuesday. You know, it's a two-day meeting. So, you know, I'm looking for plays of, you know, to try to capture some volatility. The VIX has not been strong, but it actually held and didn't make the new low yet. So that gives me some hope that maybe we're coming to a bottom of volatility, which would mean maybe we can see a little bit boost of trading action. I'm looking at actually maybe buying some oil here as more of a trade, not as a long-term investment.
Actual oil futures?
Well, I mean, I would buy oil futures, or I'd buy it through, you know, through one of the companies. I mean, the companies that are beaten down, you know, let's say a Halliburton or a Schlumberger or one of those, you know, those you can buy because those are good long-term holds, they pay good dividends, and they're good companies. For my personal view, I would probably try to buy futures for a quick trade, looking for a quick pop, because I believe we're actually going to 40, but I think that there's probably a run up to 50 before now. You know, we've had, if you go back to the start of OPEC, you've had a down-sloping market. Every time it makes a lower high and a lower low, and that's what I'm looking for here. I'm looking for a little bit of recovery into probably, let's say, 48 to 50, and then I'd like to be a seller and watch it come back down to 40.
Well, thank you for your trader talk today, Todd. Have a good day.
Great to be here. Thank you.